Hi everyone, welcome back to iNeuronix.ai. Today we will explore an exciting AI framework called as Phidata. You'll learn how to create your own AI powered agent that can search for the web for real time information, and the best part will run everything for free in Google Colab. So let's get started. Phidata is a powerful framework that helps developer build AI agents with memory, reasoning, and tool access. These agents can search the web, analyze data, and automate workflows and much more. Phidata allows you to build an AI-powered agents with the memory and reasoning. They allows you to integrate AI with the real-world tools like search engines and APIs, and it'll help you to automate workflows for various business and personal use cases. To understand Phidata better, let's check out its official documentation by just typing Phidata on Google. Phidata official documentation. Cool. On the home page, you'll find the introduction section. Phidata, as I said, is a framework designed for building multi-model agents and workflows. It enables you to create agents equipped with memory, knowledge, tools, and reasoning capabilities. Additionally, you can orchestrate teams of agents to collaboratively solve complex problems. The framework also offers a user friendly agent UI for seamless interaction. Inside the documentation, we find agents, models, tools, knowledge, workflows, and many more things. So, as you can see, this is the introduction section. Over here, we have a command to install Phidata framework, and it is creating a simple web agent. Here we have a code for it. It is using OpenAI GPT-4o model with DuckDuckGo tool. So it is giving the instruction. You'll always have to include all the sources. And over here we have entire setup. Like if you wanna install it on Windows, you should create first of all a virtual environment, and then you should fire the commands. Then you should set your Open API key. If you're using Google AI Studio, you should set your Google API key like that. Then you will run the file. And if you want to create your finance agent, you should come here. Here is a code for it. Okay. So similar instructions are there. Yahoo Finance library you can install, which we can use as a tool further. So this is a multi-model by default and multi-agent orchestration. So as you can see over here, we have created a team. It means we have created multiple agents in a single agent, which we are calling as a agent team. So here we have a code for each and everything. If I talk about agent UI, here we have a UI of Phidata. You can connect your web agent with a playground, or we can say agent UI. As you can see, using this particular code, app equals to playground, agent equals to you're passing the team over here. So similar instructions are there. Using this particular command, you can do the authentication. And here we have a demo. Similar examples are there, like if you want to create a research agent, you can take a reference from this particular code. Similar instructions are there. If you want to create agentic RAG, then we have a code available over here like that. LensDB is a vector database. Similarly, we have other frameworks. If you want a structured outputs, then here we have a code for it. If you want a reasoning agent, then here we have a code for it like that. So if you want to monitor your agent after creation, then you just pass monitoring equals to true. Automatically in the agent UI, your entire agent would be monitored like that. If you want to do the debugging, you should say debugging mode equals to true like that. Here we have a workflows. Workflows are deterministic, stateful, multi-agent programs that are built for production applications. They are incredibly powerful and they offer following benefits. You can read all these things. Like if you want to create a blog post generator, you should use this particular code like that. This will help you to create productionized applications. And if I click on agents, it'll give you all the information regarding agents. And if I talk about prompts, here we have prompts. Now let's see what all different types of tools are there in Phidata. As you can see, we can also write our own tool over here. Multiple tools are there. Here we click on the tools. Like with the help of this particular tool, we can deal with the CSV file. With the help of this particular tool, we can generate image. This is a DALI tool by OpenAI, and we have DuckDuckGo. We can also connect with GitHub. You can connect with Zira, and many more tools are there you can explore. Similarly, we have a knowledge. You can get the knowledge from all these locations. It can be CSV file, it can be document, it can be PDF, it can be your S3 PDF, S3 text, website, Wikipedia. For doing the chunking, you have these 5 chunking strategies: fixed size chunking, agentic chunking, semantic chunking, recursive chunking, document chunking. You just read this particular documentation, you will become familiar with multiple things. So we have vector databases too. We have PG Vector, Quadrant, Pinecone, LensDB, ChromoDB, Single Store. For storage purpose, we have all these storages. For embeddings, we have all these LLM providers. We have all these model providers like that. In this way, you can study entire documentation of Phidata. Believe me, it is self-explanatory. So now we will move towards Google Colab, and I'll show you how to create a web agent using Phidata. So I'll create one for you using this particular documentation. You'll be able to solve any use case. So let's move towards Google Colab. First, go to the Google Colab and create a new notebook. For going to the Google Colab, just type Google Colab on Google. It's running. So over here, change the runtime to T4 GPU because this is required if you want to run Phidata framework. Connect the notebook. So over here, I'm saying I want to create web search agent. So it's connecting to T4 GPU over here. So meanwhile, we are here on the official documentation again, and we are taking the examples. I'm saying that I want to create web search agent. So as you can see here, we have commands. So I'm installing this particular framework, Phidata, and I'm taking this particular code. In this particular video, I'm not gonna use any OpenAI model. I'm gonna use free Google AI Studio. So I'm just typing from py.model.google import Gemini, and over here I'm writing model equals to Gemini, and I'm passing the name of the model, which is Gemini hyphen 1.5 Pro. So for that, I also want Google AI Studio API key. So I'm saying import os dot environment Google API key. So for creating Google API key, I'm moving towards Google and I'm typing Google API key, simple. So I'm creating an API key. I'm copying this one. So I've taken the API key from this particular location. Don't worry, I'll remove this after this particular video. So just I'm saying, tell me about OpenAI Sora. As you can see, we have invalid syntax. Okay. It's asking me to install the DuckDuckGo search. So I'm installing it. As you can see, successfully installed. So my agent is running. As you can see, it has told me that Sora is a text to video model developed by OpenAI. It can generate realistic and creative videos of up to 1 minute in length from a text prompt. So I've created a simple web search agent using DuckDuckGo tool. So I've not used OpenAPI key over here. I'm using free Google AI Studio. I'm using Gemini 1.5 Pro model. This AI agent is highly useful for researchers, students, journalists, and anyone looking for a real-time factual information. Like for example, I'm running this for a different prompt. I'm saying that uh, tell me the difference between AI agents and agentic AI. It is telling me the difference between AI agents and agentic AI. As you can see, the term AI agents and agentic AI are often used interchangeably and refer to the same concept, an AI system capable of independent action to achieve a goal. There is no widely accepted distinction between the two. As you can see, it has taken the entire information from the net. So you can experiment with multiple things from this particular documentation, and you can create your finance agent so that you can become familiar with the name of the stock that you want to purchase, maybe from mid cap or large cap. So experiment with the entire documentation of fire data and let me know in the comment section below what different application you have created by combining all these different tools. There you have it. Our AI powered web search agent is up and running. It fetches the latest information from the web with source included. And as you can see, in the upcoming videos, we'll explore more AI agent use cases using fire data. So stay tuned. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.